Hi everybody, this is Dana. I am doing this really quick video because I have been training for my marathon and I'm very excited. But as a process of doing this, I've decided to run a series of races leading up to the marathon, which is taking place in January. One of the races that I'm running in is in benefiting UNICEF, which they raise funds to help students go to college. How many people do you know did not attend college because they did not have the finances, the money? And I was fortunate that because of being a veteran, that I was able to receive some assistance from the military, but everybody is not as fortunate. And so I am going to fundraise. And so I actually have already received my first donation. Yay! And I'm running like crazy and still doing Insanity, which is totally insane. I promise I'm going to update you all soon. I'm actually trying to just get all the videos and stuff together. But I wanted to do this video because it's easier to do the video than sitting still to write and ask you all to please donate anything. $1, $5, $10, $50, whatever you want to give. It all goes straight to the organization and not to me. And I am going to run, and I'm asking, if I run, will you donate? Because it's for a wonderful cause. You can learn more about where you can go to link up on my website at danapittman.com, DANAPITTMAN.com. I will also include it as a link in the description box because I'm not going to edit this video. I'm just going to post it. So thank you all so much. I've been getting messages about when am I going to update, and I'm doing it soon. I mean, I think you guys can maybe tell, even though I'm not standing up, that since I did my last video, yeah, I've been doing, I think, great. So I'll bring more. But for now, please donate. And we have a team going. So if you're interested in joining us in Houston, let me know. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.